Welcome to Koda Landing, a beautiful new home community by DSLD Homes in the heart of Ponchatoula, where southern charm meets modern living. Just minutes from downtown Ponchatoula, known as the Antique City, Koda Landing offers a peaceful, connected lifestyle in a prime location. Choose from spacious 3- and 4-bedroom Energy Star certified homes, thoughtfully designed with open layouts and premium finishes like granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and energy-efficient systems throughout. Each DSLD home is built with quality craftsmanship and long-term comfort in mind, giving you both style and savings. Whether you're buying your first home or your forever home, Koda Landing offers the perfect blend of location, lifestyle, and value. Schedule your tour today and discover your new home with DSLD Homes.